Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Shoo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Shoo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. We were just one, babe, for a moment in time, and it seemed everlasting that you would always be mine. Now you wanna be free, so how do you fly? 'Cause I know in my heart, babe, our love will never die, no.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Sabrina, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my fall morning routine for stress relief and productivity. This is a morning routine that I've been doing for the past few months now that has really gotten me into alignment, helped me shift my mindset to a more abundant mindset, and also this is just something that makes me feel good every single morning. And I've been working really hard on myself for these past few months just to like level up mentally and physically, and even like internal health wise as well. So I'm feeling really great, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So as you guys can see, it is 5:30 in the morning. It's still dark outside. The sun is starting to come up just a little bit, but I am gonna get ready to have my first breakfast of the day. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and the reason why I have two breakfasts is because, girl, we're gonna be working out today, and I'm one of those girls who I absolutely 100% have to have something in my stomach before I work out. Like, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Like, if I don't have food in my stomach, chances are I'm probably gonna pass out or I'm gonna throw up. Yeah, I'm that girl. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just make a smoothie. It's quick, it's easy, it's simple, and it also just makes me feel really full, but not too heavy. I also wake up really early in the morning just because like I need time to eat, to make something to eat it, and also for the food to digest properly in my system. So I'm gonna make a smoothie, and the protein that I'm using is gonna be this planted protein. And this is not sponsored, but this right here, it tastes so good. It tastes exactly, this is like peanut butter and jelly. Right here, can you see? Get my face out the way. Peanut butter and jelly, and it tastes so freaking good. So I'm about to be on my way to the gym. I literally live like 10 minutes. I literally live 10 minutes away from the gym, so I'll be there in like 2 seconds. Honestly, not even 10, more like 5.
It's your folks, Soldier Boy, tell them I'm in the building. Everybody get on the dance floor. You got to know she finna shake it all night. Wow. She got it dope. 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 Shake so, 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 shake so. Wow. Shake so, wow. Shake so, wow. Shake so, wow. She got it dope. Watch it hit the flow. I like it when she move and the way she snap it, roll. It going down. I got 5,000 one. Me, you, and you. We about to have fun. Like I gon' make it clap. That right there. Turn on something that match my shirt. I like her.
Woo! Guys, my workout is done for the day, and this is what I love about my morning routine. Like, I get shit done early. Like, it is 8:05 and I'm done with my workout. I don't know, I just feel like I'm so grateful this morning. Right now in this moment, I'm just so grateful because it's really a blessing to be able to move your body. I think like that's what's helped me with my motivation in the gym and just becoming healthy. Like, of course I want to look good, and I want to like I have goals. Like, I want my body to be snatched, but like when you start realizing that like this is part of your physical, mental health, that's it takes me to a different level. So I'm feeling really grateful right now, and I was gonna wait until like we make my second breakfast to do like morning affirmations. I think we should do our affirmations. If you haven't done your affirmations today, let's do them together. All right. I am strong. I am powerful. I am blessed. I am successful. I am magnetic. I am attractive. People love me. People want to be around me. My aura is special. My aura is pure. I am building businesses, multiple businesses. I am a money magnet. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Money is in abundance for me. My life is an abundant experience. I am so happy and grateful now that I have this consciousness to be able to create the life that I deserve. I am so happy and grateful for the Lord, my Savior. I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm able to wake up every single morning and feel productive and motivated and stress-free and go about my day accomplishing tasks that are set before me. I am so happy and grateful now that I feel strong. I feel blessed every second of the day. I am grateful for whatever God places in front of me to experience in this physical reality. I am so happy and grateful now that I am free of all negative thoughts, negative patterns, and negative habits. And I love doing morning affirmations. I hope you guys, if you guys haven't done your morning affirmations or affirmations period whenever you're watching this, I highly encourage you to do them, and don't let a freaking second go by in your day of you not reminding yourself who you are, who you want to be, and who you are meant to be in this life. Like, I know I'm getting a little bit deep, but this is really like what my mornings are like and what I've just come such a long way. This is really my mornings, and this is how I love to spend it. So we're about to go inside and we're about to cook this shit up. I'm about to make my second breakfast, so I will see you guys inside.
Every time I close my eyes, I'm feeling so horny. I can't get you out of my mind. Something you be all I see. I would give anything just to make you understand me. I don't give a damn about nothing else. With you is all I need. I need to believe. Wherever you are, we can be, baby.
In my white tee, yeah, call up Pipe Williams for the hype, please. You gon' white you before you white me. My boxes of checks, not my Nikes. Cactus, not no white tee. Got them bamboozled like a Spike Lee. You need more than Google just to find me. I just call up beta, get a high fee. Incredible, general. I just start the label just to sign me. Chase connected like we Siamese. We been on a run, feel like a crime spree. Talk to me nicely, I see his face. Yeah, on his white tee. Yeah, yeah, call the Sprite people. Private flight franchise sites. Private flight, caught him in his hands, he was tight. Caterpillar robbery, I thought to lift it up. I went on the stand, told the judge, pass my cup. Hey, ran up 20 million, told the devil, keep the look, keep the hope, I'll keep the smoke. Hey, slick, talk to me nice,
I hope you guys enjoyed my little coffee making skills. I'm getting a lot better at making coffee, although my little heavy cream kind of thing, topper, whatever. Yeah, complete fail, but it's because I didn't have any heavy cream. So Javy Coffee was kind enough to send me some of their black coffee concentrate, which I have been loving. It's so easy and practical. And let me just say this, anything that is easy, practical, and time sensitive is in my lane 100%. Although coffee does not take a long time to make in general, the thing that I love about this is that it's a coffee concentrate in a little jar, and all you have to do is put 1 to 2 teaspoons in it because it's very concentrated, and you just put it in some water or milk of your choice, and stir it up and you're ready to go. We are also in that season where Starbucks literally has us in a chokehold, and I just need us to come out of it. Going from spending $30 a week for a cup of coffee every single day to purchasing a $20 bottle of 6-ounce coffee concentrate that will probably last me a whole entire month if I do decide to drink coffee every single day is immaculate. Also, I do have a discount code that I'll be providing for you guys in the description bar below where you guys can get extra money off as well. Let's make that change and let's save some coin this fall season, okay? And there's a lot of joy that comes in making your own coffee in the morning. I know a lot of people say that that brings them a lot of peace. So go ahead, don't walk, run over to Javy Coffee to get your coffee concentrate, and I will be providing you guys with some discounts and some money off. So hope you guys enjoy that, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish my coffee because I don't want it to get cold. So thank you again to Javy for partnering with me on this video. Okay guys, so I'm back home. I had an amazing shower. I did my skincare routine. I'm gonna have an updated skincare routine up for you guys sometime like soon. I'm planning it. I know that my other skincare video did really well and you guys really enjoy it, and you guys have a lot of questions too. So I want to make an updated one because there are some things that I stopped using and I am using now, so I definitely want to put that out for you guys, so look out for that. It just got so dark for some reason. I don't know what's going on. I think it's about to storm. So but I just figured out what I wanted to eat, so I'm just gonna do some eggs and avocado toast this morning. That's just what I'm feeling for, so let's go ahead and make it.
In my white tee, 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 in my white tee. I slang in my white tee, I bang in my white tee, all in the blue spin game in my white tee. I bling in my white tee, surfing in my white tee, forget up, throw back, I look clean in my white tee.
Okay guys, so I finally finished my breakfast. So I'm gonna have my avocado toast, and then I do have some strawberries here that I need to eat because I don't want them to go bad. And then I'm just having some water because I am just so dehydrated from today's workout. I don't know, like it was, let me take you guys up from here. Yeah, so today I feel a little bit dehydrated just because I had such an intense workout and I don't think I ate properly yesterday. So today I'm just gonna really focus on like nourishing and replenishing my body. Now that I have made my breakfast, what I usually do while I'm eating is I like to journal. And if you guys have seen some of my previous videos, you will know that I am a hardcore believer in journaling, and I think that it brings so much clarity to me. It makes me feel like very released. Like I do it every single day, or at least I try to do it every single day, because it is like a form of therapy for me, if that makes sense. A lot of the times the average person is running on a very strict schedule. If you are someone who works a 9 to 5, then you know what I'm talking about. And if you're someone who is like a mom maybe, or a college student, and you just have a really strict schedule, sometimes it's really hard, or it feels like it's an extra step, you know, for you to take some time for yourself and to just journal and to connect with yourself. And so this is why I throw this into my morning routine, because not to say that I get it out the way because I look forward to it, but it's something that I can do for myself for the first thing in the morning while I'm juggling so many other responsibilities for other people on other people's time. Like I want to do something for me, and why not do something for you like right in the beginning of the day? If you guys want to see like my journaling process, then I would be more than happy to make a video for you guys, because I strongly believe that journaling and just doing a whole bunch of self-care rituals and manifesting and reading self-help or self-transformation books really has helped me come such a long way with my mindset shifts in like literally in like a few months. So I believe in this ish wholeheartedly.
I'm on. You want me home? I get you what you want, but you want me alone. I'm on. You want me home? I get you what you want, but you want me alone.
This is slowly looking like it's a night routine because of how dark it is outside. I just came in my room because I'm scared. Storming outside, like the thunder just shook this freaking house and the lightning just like almost blinded me. So I'm in here with it because this rain just completely messed up my vibe and like my video. So guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. I just want to say that I feel really blessed that I'm able to have mornings like this, and not every morning is the same. I try to strive for like the same kind of consistency every morning, but what I'm learning is that as a woman, sometimes you have to just trust your intuition and you have to trust what guides you and follow that path and follow that direction, even with your mornings. So there are some mornings where if I cannot physically get up and go to the gym at 7 o'clock in the morning, I will decide to just go a little bit later, or I will opt to do something at home that's a little bit more my feels, my style. I'm not too hard on myself, and I've built that discipline up at this point to where I can get up at 5:30 in the morning and I can hit the gym at 7. I can eat a proper meal. I can say my affirmations. I can do my skincare. I can shower. I can have that self-care slot for myself first thing in the morning, so I'm not neglecting myself throughout the day. And I can also journal and like free myself and connect with myself. So if it's anything that you take from this video, I highly suggest you just choosing a morning routine that truly caters to you and your lifestyle and what you are trying to focus on creating in your life right now. Don't feel bad if you're not doing the same thing as everyone else. Do what floats your boat. And focus on you and only you. You are living your life. No one else is living the life that you're living, and you have to cater to that. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just really happy and grateful if you clicked on this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this from me, or a nighttime routine or anything like that, let me know. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video.